Hey everyone, and thanks for joining us. In our top news, a Palawan man over the past weekend was stabbed about 34 times in a riot at the Sunset Park Club in Kuror. Here's Rebecca Batangal, the Bureau of Public Safety's new public information officer, with more on the incident.
On April 20, 2014, which is Sunday, at about 01:54 a.m., unknown female caller called and reporting a fire at the Sunset Park nightclub. Police heard the commotion and went in the bar. The lights were off and music was still playing. And there was a group of about 5 to 8 people fighting near the counter. Suspect was strong and very aggressive. Bouncers were holding him, and the bar was crowded with people, and they were drawing beers. And that time, police finally stopped the fight, and suspect was arrested, and victim was lying on his back, appeared unconscious. He was brought to the hospital by ambulance. Victim sustained 34 stab wound. And right now the case is transferred to CID and it's under further investigation. Magima lonita ngesro adrablul nganya information ngya amodngel gelte gidel incident mamgodong ay gidel number 488-8477 ma 488-2412 ma 488-5407 di ako bigit claim di ako mo ultang claim ay gidel mamgodong yan di ako ngot al mamgodong information even ako mamalulur sel line ng information sa gida ay kim mo sa gida information na karing so lang